Hi, this is Luca, Ms. Janelle and Otis's assistant, and this is Home Crafts at the DeSoto Public Library. And today's craft is a very special craft. It is a gift that you can make for your mom to give to her on Mother's Day, or any other day really that you feel like your mom's done a lot and you want to thank her. But this would work best for Mother's Day. All right, let's get started. So you actually don't need a lot for this craft. It's really easy. You just need like construction paper. It doesn't have to be this pink purple color. It can be white, red, black, yellow, green, orange, or gray even. You're gonna need some paint. So I just got some paint right here. We got red, green, orange, purple, and blue. Yeah, they were already in the bottle, but I just like put them on the plate because it'll be easier. You're gonna need a black marker. Well, it can be any color marker, same as construction paper: blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, gray, brown, really. And the most important part, your fingers. We're gonna be finger painted. Okay, so get out here. Oh, and napkins for the cleanup. You might want to wet some napkins too, just the way it'll be easier, or dry them off the napkins, throw them away, and wash them in the sink. Okay, so using your black marker, you're gonna want to draw a heart, right? So just gotta draw a quick little heart. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to look like a heart. See, look, it's a heart. And next, you're gonna get your fingers and dip in one of the paints. I'm gonna choose purple, so I'm gonna dip, like that. Just get it in there, and just like put it on the paper. Just jam it on there. Don't put too much, or else you won't be able to catch your fingerprint. Cause we're trying to do like fingerprint paint. Yeah, that one's all right. It's all right. So we're gonna get some glue, so lightly, gently put your finger in there, and then jam it on the paper, just smush it on there. And yeah, that looks better. Looks better. All right, let's do some more blue. Now it's okay if the colors like touch each other. They don't all have to be perfect. And yeah, okay, see, look, they touch each other, look nice, so far so good. You know what, I am gonna do green with my pinky, because we don't have a lot of green. Get some in there and put it right here. Oops, it slid. Okay, yeah. And yeah, see, look, it's going like that. So you're just going to keep on doing that until like the whole thing's full. Let's do some red next, because red is awesome. Also, you can use the same finger if you want. You probably might have to clean them. Here, let's put red here. And yeah, so far so good. Try not to make a mess out of this, or else your mom might not appreciate the Mother's Day gift as much as she normally would. Here, if you feel like your hands have too much paint on it, just like wipe them off like that. Just wipe them off. Now if they're still dirty like mine, just water, clean them off with water. Now if you draw a really big heart, try getting like your brothers or sisters to help you fill it out too. That way it'll go along faster. Y'all can both say, "Here, we made this for you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day." Or if you want to get like fancy, get your like 4 fingers and just like dip them each in the paint like so, and go like that. Just smush them all at once. You want to get fancy, show off your finger painting skills. And see, look, you did like 4 all at once. Don't lift your fingers too high or else it might splatter. Do another purple. rub it, put it on there. You know, if you're doing this at home, you might want to lay like some tissue paper underneath it. That way it doesn't like stain through the paper and stain whatever surface you're doing it on. Let's add some red, because red is awesome. We got a bunch of blue right now. Yeah, see, look, so far it's coming nice. Eventually you're gonna want to get the whole thing filled. So yeah, it'll look real nice. Trust me, your mother will love it. Let's do some more green. This green is awesome. Also, if you know what your mom's favorite color is, you could just do a heart entirely out of that color. All right, and so for now that's good. So what you do afterwards, you're like, hey mom, here you go, happy Mother's Day, hand it to her. And she'll be like, oh, thank you. And as an added gift, you can also be really quiet that day. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for joining us for Homecrafts. We'll see you next time. Have a happy Mother's Day.